Did you send an email by mistake and the unsend timer ran out? Learn how to delete it from the recipient's inbox in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access your sent emails. Then, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete the one you need gone. Start by heading to your Gmail homepage. Then, on the left sidebar, go ahead and click on Sent to view your sent emails. Now, scroll through your sent messages and locate the email you want to remove. Once you find it, hover your mouse over that email, and on the far right side, click the trash bin icon to delete it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.